Hey guys, Jerry Green from Value Flow Trading. And today we're going to be talking about a big topic that plagues almost every trader in the trading industry, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, an advanced trader. This emotion plagues everyone and it has to do with patience and impatience. And patience has to do with the act, the ability, or the capacity to actually wait for your trade setup and actually wait for that trade setup to actually come to fruition and to play itself out in the long term. Now, patience is important, and dealing with patience the right way is key. So there are significance of patience, because when it comes to trading, you hear the word patience is important. We need patience. There are actually steps, and today we're going to be covering everything you need to know. After watching this video, you might not need any other video to understand what it takes to become patient while trading. So the significance of patience, what has to do with the fact that patience helps you to take only high probability trades. And why is high probability trades important? There are low probability trades, there are major or mediocre probability trades, there are high probability trades. I classify high probability trades as the only trade setup there is, because I'm putting live money on the line. It's important that when I go in there, I'm going in there with the mindset of, okay, I expect this trade to become a winner. If it doesn't, yes, it hits my stop loss, it's the cost of doing business. But yes, it's important that I'm going in with funds that I expect the trade to win. So patience helps you take only the best setup, because you have to wait for your trade setup to actually manifest itself. This helps you take the best setup out of your trade scenario. So the second significance of patience is that it helps you prevent over trading. Because if you're not patient, if you are somebody that is moved by, oh, there's inactivity in the market, I'm not a plant, I'm a trader, I have to be trading, that kind of thinking will cost you significantly, because over trading is what causes a lot of losses. And studies have shown that it is not how much or how the high amount of trades that you take that makes you profitable. Only good quality trades. In fact, studies even show that higher time frame traders, swing traders, and position traders make more money in the long term over day traders or traders that keep taking trades constantly on a constant basis. So patience helps you limit over trading. So you don't have to keep trading or keep trading. Patience helps you limit over trading significantly. It helps you limit an enormous amount of losses. The third significance of patience is that it prevents you from taking trades that are not according to your trading plan. If my trading plan states with this lot size and this lot size and this stop loss, when you exercise or you know how to use patience or you understand patience in trading, it stops you or limits you from taking trades that are not according to your trading plan. And this is super important, because we do not trade the market. We trade our trading plan, we trade our trading setup. The fourth significance of trading of patience is that it breeds or it shows this confidence in my trading strategy. I don't have to be worried when I miss a trade. I don't have to be scared when I miss a trade. I don't have to be nervous when I'm missing a trade, because my setup will print. I have confidence in my setup. I don't have to rush in. If it's not my setup, it's not my setup. My setup works over time. I'm confident in what I've come to know. I'm confident in myself as a trader. So patience will help you cultivate or breed that confidence in you, that you believe in yourself, you believe in your trading strategy. Now you also understand what impatience is. Impatience just has to do with you not waiting for your trade setup to actually come to fruition. You not waiting for that setup that you've taken to actually watch it play out. You are impatient because you are seeing inactivity. Oh, I have to take a trade. You don't need to. How do we cultivate patience? This is the key. In fact, if you've not been listening, listen carefully. To cultivate patience when it comes to trading, you need to understand your trading setup. You need to say, this is what my trading setup looks like. When I see it, I know it. When you wake me up from sleep and ask me, what do you use to trade? I can literally draw it out for you, explain it to you. I know my setup like the back of my hand. That breeds patience. Because if I look at the chart and I cannot find that setup that looks like the back of my hand, I don't take trades. So to cultivate patience, you need to know your setup. To cultivate patience and eradicate impatience, you need to understand how your setup works, the risk to reward ratio of your setup, what market works best, what time frame, what condition works best, what Q zones or what market session it works best. So understanding your trading edge, understanding your trading setup will help cultivate and breed patience in you consistently and help improve your trading result. So this brings us to the end of our video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe to our channel. And if you are a beginner trader or you're looking for a trading partner, VFT has a trading partner. We trade with EQ Markets Global. Do well to register, sign up. They have low spreads, low commission. Cheers, and see you next week.